Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the extraordinary life of a man who journeyed from the silver screen to the Oval Office, Ronald Reagan, the 40th President of the United States. His story is one of ambition, transformation, and profound impact on the 20th century. So, grab your popcorn, because this is a story you won't want to miss. Born in a small apartment in Tampico, Illinois, in 1911, Reagan's early life was marked by modesty and frequent moves. His father, a charismatic shoe salesman, nicknamed him Dutch. Young Ronald was a natural storyteller and performer, skills he honed in school plays and as a lifeguard, where he reportedly saved 77 people. After graduating from Eureka College, his smooth, powerful voice landed him a job as a radio sports announcer. But a bigger stage was calling. In 1937, Reagan headed to Hollywood. Over the next 2 decades, he starred in more than 50 films, becoming a well-known actor and president of the Screen Actors Guild. It was during his time in Hollywood that his political views began to shift. Initially a liberal Democrat, his experiences fighting alleged communist influence in the film industry pushed him towards conservatism. His political career truly began in 1964 with a televised speech for presidential candidate Barry Goldwater. Titled, "A Time for Choosing," the speech was a sensation, launching Reagan as a powerful new voice in conservative politics. Just 2 years later, he was elected governor of California, serving 2 terms where he focused on cutting state spending and reforming welfare. In 1980, with the nation facing economic struggles and a crisis of confidence, Reagan ran for president with a message of optimism and strength. His campaign promise was simple: let's make America great again. He won in a landslide. As president, his policies, known as Reaganomics, involved major tax cuts, reduced government spending, and deregulation, aiming to stimulate the economy. On the world stage, Reagan took a firm stance against the Soviet Union, famously calling it an evil empire. He initiated a massive military buildup, including the controversial Strategic Defense Initiative, nicknamed Star Wars. Yet, in his second term, his approach softened. He developed a surprising and crucial relationship with Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev. Their series of summits paved the way for nuclear arms reduction treaties and are widely credited with helping to end the Cold War. One of his most iconic moments came in 1987 at the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. Facing the wall that divided the city, he delivered a challenge that echoed around the world. "Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall." 2 years later, the wall fell, a powerful symbol of the Cold War's end. After leaving office in 1989, Reagan remained a beloved figure. In 1994, he shared with the world his diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease in a heartfelt letter, facing his final challenge with courage and grace. He passed away in 2004, leaving behind a legacy that continues to be debated and analyzed. From a small town in Illinois to the world stage, Ronald Reagan's life was a testament to the power of communication and conviction. He was the great communicator, an actor who played the role of a lifetime and reshaped the political landscape. Thank you so much for joining us on this historical journey. What do you think is Reagan's most significant legacy? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history. We'll see you in the next one.